Hello everyone, welcome to brand new tutorial. In this tutorial, we will discuss about Oracle Flashback table statement. In this tutorial, we will discuss about repair tool for accidental table modifications, restores a table to an earlier point in time, offers ease of use, availability, and fast execution, is performed in place. Syntax: Flashback table, schema, table, to SN, timestamp, expiration, restore, restore, point, enable, disable, triggers, before drop, rename to table. Here we can see the possible Oracle connections. I just want to select this DBA 167 connection. So if I go on the worksheet, here the connection name. So I just want to say or explain about flashback table statement here. So first I need to check before deleting table, set table records. So if I execute the snippet, here we can see the two records, record 1 and 2. So and after then I just want to now drop the table emp. If I execute this snippet, table emp dropped, and after then sec user table in user tables. So if I execute this snippet, here we can see nothing is found in user tables. If I execute this snippet, here we can see all the tables for this user, but emp not exist in this list. Okay. Now we will execute another one. Here we can see get the drop table info from recyclebin. So we can get the drop table info in recyclebin. So if I execute this snippet, here we can see the original table name emp. If I use the where clause for original name, here this is the note for here original name should be in capital. So we can't use it here the original name in small letter or capital or small combined capital or small letter. Must have to give the name in capital. So if I execute this snippet, here we can see the one table that we have deleted in earlier statement. So the last one is restore table from recycle bin. So this statement can help us to restore the table that we have dropped and with data. So if I execute this snippet, here we can see table emp succeeded. So I just want to check the user table, check user table. So this is the snippet. If I execute this snippet, here we can see the user table is restored. Means if I execute this snippet, all the tables are existed here. So if I check the restore table data also, check table records. So if I select this snippet, here we can see the delete drop table and restore table, and finally the restore table data 1 and 2 successfully restored. So now we will see the another one is purging mechanism actually. So first I just want to drop another one. Here we can see the new table and customer table. We just want to delete those two tables. If I execute this snippet, table dropped. If I execute this snippet, yes, table dropped. So I just want to check the uh, drop table like new EMP. If I execute this snippet, here we can see the drop table information from recycle bin. Now I just want to parsing table new EMP. Parsing means here we can see the parsing table new EMP. This is specific table parsing. So parsing a specific table. If I execute this snippet, we can see the table parse means that this table drop table new EMP from recycle bin has been removed permanently from our database. So check if I check this one again, here we can see there is no table information in recycle bin. That means this table deleted permanently from our database. So I just want to another one is purging recycle bin actually. So here the purging recycle bin. Here table info in recycle bin. If I execute this snippet, we can see the one table exists in recycle bin. So if I parse this recycle bin, if we parse this recycle bin, this means all the tables in recycle bin will be removed permanently. If I execute this snippet, here we can see parse operation successfully completed. So I just want to check the possible recycle bin information. Here we can see there is no information or no dropped information in recycle bins. In this way, we can use recycle bin um, dropping or parsing or a specific table operation. Um, and in earlier video, earlier section, we will try to uh, we we give an example to flashback a table. Thank you so much.